Hello.
What you are unboxing?
The point is opening.
What?
Opening. Oh.
Oh, there is one more box. Take a scissor for Mama.
Open Mama.
Take a scissor.
Okay, open it. So can see. So
बस बाकी करेगी, बाकी खुद ही करेगी, अनबॉक्सिंग करेगी ना वो.
wow.
What's this? Show me. What's this? It's a Diwali diya. Open it.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a hanging diyas. Oh, will look very beautiful on Diwali. And look what is in that box, in another box. What is in another box? Look.
Wow, looking butterfly. Yeah, butterflies. Nice. I like it. Thank you. Okay. One more. Nice.
You like it?
Yeah, so sparkly. So pretty.
Look, we will put like this.
And put this one. Open.
Oh, hanging diyas. Open again. The another box.
Mama, open it. It says can see. Look at the eyes.
You stand up. Oh, you like it? Oh, wow. Wait. We have to put diyas in it. Open. This is a box.
I want another one.
Yes.
One.
Oh, there are 3. Oh, there are 4.
20, okay.
आप लगाओ. आप छोटी हो, लगा पाओगी?
So,
I can help.
अरे ये इधर के लिए नहीं है.
ठीक है ना मामा, अभी तो लगा दिए ना.
दिवाली के लिए.
Oh, Kavisha, you like it?
yeah, so sparkly.
कहाँ से लिए आपने? कौन सी साइड से?
Amazon से ऑर्डर करी.
अमेजोन से लिए ना.
हाँ.
So
Amazon से ऑर्डर करी.
अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताओ. The link is in description. बोलो. The link is in description. बोलो.
Link is in kitchen sink. Sister like a
Description.
kitchen sink. Sister have so.
इसमें आप क्या अभी दिए लगाओगे दिवाली पे?
Sister so butterfly आप कुछ सब पे ऐसे types.
चलो अनबॉक्सिंग हो गई. बाय बाय बोलो अपने फ्रेंड्स को.
Bye. So pretty. Wow. Looking so pretty. Like a butterfly.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.